Today, y'all, I'm going to be making an old-fashioned cucumber salad. It's easy and simple, and I thought I'd bring y'all along. It's the end of June, and a lot of cucumbers are coming in, so I'm going to show you what to do with all your cucumbers you might be getting out of the garden. Let's get started. I have these little tiny, I guess you'd call them English cucumbers, and that's what we're going to be using. But you can use any kind of cucumbers that you might be growing or you have. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut up our cucumbers. Now you can take the skins off, but today I'm just going to leave the skins on these because they're so tiny. But I like to cut mine when I'm doing this cucumber salad pretty thin. So it's just depending on what kind of cucumber you're using. If it's one of the bigger ones, you might need to take the seeds out and even cut some of the skin off. But we're going to leave this one like this because these are tiny ones and they're so fresh. This is how I'm trying to get them right here. I got to check it and make sure they're good. Yep, they're good. Now you see a lot of these cucumber salads, and I've made them before on here. You can even put tomatoes in them and use a more vinegar base dressing, I guess is what you'd call it. But today we're making this more like the old-fashioned cucumber salads, like our grannies used to make. And we just lost one. So, while we're getting these cut up, y'all comment down below and tell what kind of cucumbers you're growing in your garden. Are you doing the pickled cucumbers? I've even seen on one video where somebody's growing, they called it a white cucumber. Now, I've never had one of those, but I've seen them. And a lot of places, they're not getting much rain. And it's hurting their gardens. I've watered mine a couple times, but we did get some rain. Now this is a little bad spot in that one. We're not going to use it. So let's get this last cucumber cut up. And I got to remember to cut them thin. I'm trying to get in a hurry. Okay, so now we're going to put our cucumber in our bowl. It's hard to get it off that cutting board. It wants to stick to it. So there we have our cucumber all cut up thinly. And to that, we're going to be adding an onion. And we're going to get it cut up. Now you can dice this onion or slice it. I'm going to get this thrown away. Now, if y'all use a cutting board a lot, since I picked this up, I'll show you this. This is a damp paper towel. You can put your cutting board on it, and then your cutting board won't move around on you when you're trying to use it. Now, you can dice this or slice it. And the way I'm going to do it today is I'm going to try to slice this as thinly as I can get it. Now, if you had one of those things that slice it for you, that would work good. But I don't want to get all that out, so I'm just using my knife and cutting it real thin. Now this last piece might be a little bit thicker because I don't want to cut my finger off. And now what I'm going to do is just take, and we'll go ahead and just put this in the bowl. But I'm going to separate all my onion because I don't want it in chunks. The way we cut it makes it easy just to separate it. Whew. It's a little strong. Set that to the side. And now we're going to get something to mix our dressing up in. Okay? So now we're going to be making our dressing for our salad. And we're going to make it in this bowl. I'm going to add 1 cup of mayonnaise. We're using this kind we get at Costco just because it's a little better for you. But now you can use any kind of mayonnaise that you got. I remember years ago when my Aunt Willie used to make this, she'd always use Blue Plate. But before we started buying this, we always used Duke's mayonnaise. But she wouldn't hardly use anything but Blue Plate. I remember that growing up, how she always thought she had to have Blue Plate mayonnaise. So now we're going to put our 1 cup of mayonnaise in our bowl. Now it calls for white sugar, and that's what she always used. But we're trying to do a little better, so we're going to use this organic honey and try to stay away from that white sugar. I probably put about a teaspoon of that. And now you're going to need some white vinegar or either apple cider vinegar, whichever you got. And now to that, we're going to add, I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. And then we'll test it and see if we might need some more. We're going to add a little salt. A little black pepper. And now I've got this fresh dill. If you've got dried dill, you could use it. But I bought this fresh the other day because I'm thinking about doing some refrigerator pickles when I get enough cucumbers. So let me rinse this off. So we're going to use this dill. And we're just going to cut it up real thin. And we're going to put it in our bowl. Going to do it this way so I can get it all off that cutting board. Okay, so now we've got everything in there for our dressing. So now I'm just going to start giving this a mix. You have your mayonnaise, your honey or sugar, salt and pepper, some vinegar, and your dill. So now we're just going to mix up this dressing. Now if you wanted to, you could add a little bit of garlic powder or onion powder. But today I'm trying to keep it back to just the old-fashioned cucumber salad recipe. Okay, we're going to taste it. Okay. I'm going to add another teaspoon of vinegar, because I think it needs just a little bit more vinegar. Okay, that's what our dressing's looking like. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just put our cucumbers and our onions in our bowl with our dressing. And we're going to toss it. Oh, you can smell that dill, y'all. We're adding just a little bit more dill also, because I like that. If you don't like a lot of dill, add the amount you think you'd like. This is no certain specific recipe. Okay, we got it all mixed together. Okay, y'all, trying to clean the bowl up just a little and get all the dressing down on the cucumbers. But there you have it, the old-fashioned cucumber salad. Well, okay, y'all, let's serve us up some. We'll just use this spoon so we don't have to wash no more dishes. Now let's try it. Now you got to get you some of the cucumbers and the onions together. And like I said, some of the recipes for this, and I've got one on my channel, I'll try to remember to link it down below. You can even put tomatoes. But today, we tried to just stick to the basic old-fashioned cucumber salad recipe. Y'all look at that. And that dressing, let's see how it tastes. That tastes delicious, y'all. Now, what she used to do is, as she would eat this and have some of that dressing left, she would just add her a couple more cucumbers or even an onion to it and toss it again. So you can keep this in the fridge for like up to 7 days and keep adding to it and using that dressing. But this right here could be dangerous. I could eat this whole bowl for my lunch. But I guess I'll share. Okay, y'all. That's how Aunt Willie used to make her old-fashioned cucumber salad. I hope y'all give this a try. Let us know in the comments what you think. Will you try it? What else could you add to it to spice it up some? Or would you leave it the same? Comment down below. If you're looking for something to do with all those cucumbers you're going to be getting out of the garden, or maybe you're already getting them, try our old-fashioned cucumber salad. It's easy, it's simple, and it's delicious. Well, y'all, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit the new hype button. And, like always, we just want to say a big thanks for watching our channel. If you hadn't subscribed already, consider subscribing. And like always, happy cooking!